Hi, in front of me is LG K22 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off notifications from an app. Firstly, open Settings. Then choose Apps and Notifications, Notifications, and see all from last 7 days. Over here, all you need to do is tap on the switcher next to an app that you want to turn off notifications from, for example Google. So now when I tap on the switcher, all notifications from Google are disabled. If you want to turn them back on, just tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!